Need to save a website page as a PDF so you can annotate and share it? With PDF Editor Studio, you can convert any web page into a PDF copy, ready to highlight, comment on, or add notes. Start by opening PDF Editor Studio, then click Website to PDF from the Document panel. Enter the URL of the website page you want to capture. Choose whether you want to convert the current page only or multiple pages from the same website. When you're ready, click Create PDF to annotate. PDF Editor Studio will load the web page and create a reliable PDF copy that keeps the page looking consistent across devices. Once your web page has been converted, it opens directly inside the editor. Your captured pages appear in the panel on the left, so you can easily navigate through your document. Now you can begin annotating. Select Add Text from the Tools panel, click anywhere on the web page PDF, and type your note or feedback. You can customize the font, size, and color, then position your annotation exactly where you need it on the page. It's perfect for reviewing website designs, marking up content, leaving feedback, or sharing a visual copy of a web page with others. Convert, annotate, and share website pages directly in your browser with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.